papalitan.
Sino mo?
Aga pala yun, no? Alam ko, kampamo na kayo.
Hilangin mo nga kapatid, sorry. Pwede bang hilangin niyo si Gabby? Conception? Charot.
Isa quick reaction lang po about sa movie. Saka ano ba siya?
Ano ba? So, ang ganda lang. I love the performances. It's so simple, but ang lalim niya. So, Gabby's a really good friend of mine, and her co-actress there, sorry, I didn't get her name. Sinabi na ni Gabby sa akin. But she's so good also. And I love getting to know more about the history of other places and the culture. So I think there's also like a very strong, really like relationship between Japan and the Philippines that clearly this film brings to life. But really it's about grief and life and loss and finding life after the loss. So, in that, it's beautiful. I'm glad I was able to watch it.
Wow. And Miss Iza, can you share a little details lang po sa balita ko po magkakaroon po kayo ng full play na ikaw po yung bida under Sandbox Production po ata.
Well, it's called Tiny Beautiful Things, directed by Jenny Hamora. Watch out for our other announcements. I can't say it quite yet, but yes. That's all. November. It comes out in November at Circuit.
Are you watching other Cinemalaya films?
Unfortunately, my schedule's really tight right now, so gustong-gusto ko, pero ito talaga yung, lahat. Kung may time ako, bakit naman, no? Lahat ng pwede kong mapanood ay papanoorin ko. Last year, ang napuntahan ko lang na premiere itong kay Aya Fernandez, ang Rookie. Kasi busy naman ako sa motherhood noon. Ito, busy talaga sa trabaho and motherhood. So, you know, nung biglang pwede today, last minute lang ako nakapag-commit kay Gabby, and I said I really wanted to be here for her tonight.
Pero top of your mind po na gusto nyo mapanood na parang if ever you have time, yung unang-una nyo mapanoorin sa Cinemalaya.
Hindi ko alam kasi lahat ng entries, but I would love to hear, I would love to watch The Hearing and Balota.
Yeah. Mylene and Marian.
Yes. Sorry, hindi ko memorize lahat. Ay, sorry! Gospel of the Beast.
Yeah, no, opening film.
Yes.
Jansen.
Is it part?
No, opening film.
Because I read the script. Before, I was part of the selection committee for FDCP. So, I really super love that script. So it's not competing. Yeah, opening film only. Okay, so anyway, there. So I will have to familiarize myself with all. Pasensya po ako nito. Busy po ako. Minsan lang po ako sa Instagram. Busy po ako. Pero kung pwede ko lang mapanood lahat, papanoorin ko lahat. Because, you know, we have to support one another. But right now, I need to support my family. So I will work. Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Please watch Kono Ba.
Thank you.
About grief. Like I said, it's about loss, but finding life after loss. You know, I guess forgiveness or finding, I guess, I don't know, making meaning of things and then finding that connection between the two sisters. Yung parang sinundan mo talaga yung journey nila na hindi sila nagkakaintindihan literally. Hanggang sa they super connected with one another, and then you just and it was a beautiful journey to witness. Plus also I was saying the strong relationship between Japan and the Philippines. I mean, you can see that talaga. Ang dami pag pumunta ka ng Japan, dami Filipino. My parents worked in Japan. So, you just understand we're somehow really deeply connected. And on a, I guess, human level, for me, it was yung images, yung videos of the tsunami and what happened, and I think, you know, just the whole town going through that loss how they've had to survive after that. Yun yung mga, wala. Parang mapapagoogle ako ng intense mamaya. So kasi they even gave out forms. Like, does this make you want to go to Japan? And they gave out forms. I mean, there were forms that they gave out when we went in. Wala lang akong ballpen. Hindi sila nagbigay ng ballpen. Anong sagot na may Q&A pala. Parang, I think it says there, like, does this film make you want to visit Japan? I think it makes me want to get to know more about, of course, I've always loved the Japanese culture because, as I said, my parents worked there. But there are so many things that we don't know about other places, diba? Sometimes even my own country. So, because of this film, now I will really go and want to learn more about, the place and what happened. The museum that they showed there, parang gusto mong puntahan. So yes, the film makes me want to go to that place. So yeah, they accomplished that. Yeah. So yeah, but it was a beautifully shot by Dan Villegas, and of course, directed by Jaime Pasena. Tuto kasi kayo. The second, Jaime Pasena the second. He, like, alam mo na matagal niyang yung proseso ng pelikulang to ay hindi minadali. Yan talaga yung ramdam ko sa kanya nung pinapanood ko siya. It's so deep, and that's why it's moving in a very simple yet powerful way. Yan. Dami ko sinabi. Thank you. Okay, I shall go ahead.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, rushing down.
Yung pakiramdam ni Direct Net, we're very happy kasi alam namin mahirap siyang pauuhin. And with this one, she said yes, and she's very, very excited about this.
Going back to